Hello, my name's Heather from Core Restore Co. and welcome to Harker's Baby and Beyond Workshop. Today we are going to immerse our mamas in the postpartum journey. So come along for the journey.
You held my tiny hand so tight, kept me safe in the darkest night. In your arms I found my way. Oh, how you
I would just say that you're amazing. You're doing a great job. Whether you breastfeed or don't breastfeed, being a mother is hard, so keep going.
My baby has something called laryngomalacia, so he struggles with breathing while he breastfeeds, so just navigating that and navigating his little choking episodes. He also had a tongue tie, so that was hard as well.
The initial, I think actually the physical aspect of your body adjusting to breastfeeding and moving through that process of your milk coming in and then them latching and you finding your flow.
Throwing all that doubt, that fear in.
with wisdom wrapped in your warm embrace.
Connection.
Hard. I would say time. Life. That's 2 words. Life.
Hard work. Well, that's not really one word, but
We'll make it 1 word.
struggle. Challenging.
Perseverance.
Beautiful. Yeah, I really love it.